we have seen how to put those room tags. So there is some kind of showing the room tags by using the color regions. We can have like one floor plan that have it and another one don't have it, but when we want to put those color schemes, we will come on. We already have the room tags there, which determine the room names and the square meters of the rooms. So now to have those colors, we will come here in properties without selecting anything. Then go for graphic display option. So we click on edit. Sorry, no, we will go on color scheme. We have none. Which on the color scheme, then we click on none. We change the scheme category from space to rooms so that may adapt the room names. Now when we click on room, we will see all the room tags that we have in our floor plan. We have bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, office, and room. So now we can just change some of them or make some of them not visible, or change the colors of the preview. Change it to like this one, bathroom, or we may change into blue like this. Then after doing this, after activating the category by names, and we have all of them here, we will click on apply, then okay. So our floor plan will have those kind of colors according to the room tags. So here we are missing a dining area. Yeah, you can take this, click space, then put it here to fit the area. If it is not blocking anything, then I can add a room tag here and call it kitchen. So if I add another one and change a name, let me change this name like dining area. Then if I click OK, it will take its own color, which is different from the others. So this is how you can do this.
Please go back to the first step.
Yeah. So we come here in the properties without selecting anything. Then we go down in graphics where we see the color scheme. It's not too far. Color scheme is in under visibility and graphics, things like that. You go down a bit to color scheme. You will see the one called none, having the none option. None. Graphics. No, you will go for the color scheme. No, you are not clicking on graphics display. You will go down. There is another row. Yes, that one for color scheme. You click on none, then you have this kind of table, edit color scheme. Did you get it? Now you are going to see it on that edit color scheme. Here on scheme, there is one table in this left side with category and room name and category. There you have space, right? You will change it into room. Then under that room, you will have this none, room, and department. Then you will change it to, you will select name. So you are going to do this on this ground floor. Then you open first floor, you do it again, color scheme, then we change to rooms, then names, okay. And you have to get a bathrooms, so I will come on rooms, go down here in properties and change this name and take bathroom, then I put it just here. Then this one too is a bathroom and this one is a bathroom. Then I go for second floor, color scheme, change this to room name, okay. I'll have the two there. So now let's see how we can add some tags on our windows and those. Come in, annotate. Then we have this tag panel where we can find any kind of tag that we want. So now we are going to use the tag. We can tag things by category or tag all the things. Let's click on tag all. If we click on tag all, means we can choose what we want to tag. If it's a door, window, walls, anything that we want to tag, we will just tick it just here. Okay, we need a door tag, we need a window tag, even a wall tag if you want, even for stair tag. Yeah, let's do this one. Then now after that, we will click on apply, then okay. So because we choose the wall tag and window tag, let's change this kind of tags. We do the Ctrl Z, then remove the wall, do the door and windows only, then apply, then okay. So we will have all the tags around each door or around any type of door and windows. So now we can change these tags as we want. Like if I click this door, I can see that its tag is one. So the tag is taking this tag, this identity data in their settings. We have one for this door, means is taking the mark of the door. So we can even change to what we want, like D1. Then if we change it here in mark, even the door will be changed, this door tag. So if you select a door that have tag, you will see their tags in mark. The mark is 25, then you can change it to what you want. So there is a settings that we may want it to be changed. Maybe you can see that my door are bringing the numbering, the mark numbering of the door. So we can change, like when we have some details, like if the door are the same, are for the same type and is made in the same materials, we may need one details that show that type of door in our floor plan, where that door are located in our floor plan. So we may need one tag for like 5 door in our floor plan, then another tag for like any other same door in our detail in our floor plan. So to do so, we may just change the settings of this tag. We may select a tag by itself. Then we have m.door tag. So we are going for editing this tag. We'll go in edit family up here. So we will have this. When we select this numbering, we can have a settings for editing label. So if we go on this label, then we click on edit, we have this mark. That's why all the door are showing marks. So we may just take the description or any kind of symbols that may appear on our door tags. Like let's take for example, let's take the one that will appear on all the doors. Let's, for example, go for description or comments. Let's take the description. Then take this, or let me take the type mark. Type mark will be the one with the information that we want. Then we can just take this, remove it, and take another those mark, remove it. We may stay with type mark. The sample type mark, you can see it will be 1T, or you can just change according to what you want. Then if I click apply, then okay, so that numbering will change into the type mark. Now I'm going to load into my project. It's this one, then okay, then override the existing. You will see that all the door I have, like the door that are having 20 are 1, 2, 3. So the one for 22 is one here. Yeah, this will just take all the doors that are the same and get put there a same type mark. So now let's change this type mark, which are the same. Like I'm going to select this door. When I select this door, I will go in edit type. I will go in the type mark. Type mark I have here 20. So I can now change to D1 for door 1, then apply, then okay. So all the door with this type will have D1, 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 D1. So I can just change this one too by selecting the door itself, go in edit type, then change this type mark of 22 to D2, then okay. So all the door that have this of this type, we have D2 as a tag. Then I can take this and change it into D3. Type mark will be D3. Then okay. Now I have D3. So if I go on first floor and I go again to put some tags, I pass in annotate. Then I will go in tags, then take this tag all. Then I will check door tag and window tag. Then I click apply, then OK. So you can see that the one that I renamed D1 are coming as D1, 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 D1 here, and D1 here. Yeah, that's it. Then for the window, I can take like this kind of window on toilets. I can change, let's see the type mark, the type of window tag, edit them. Then we have the type mark too. Let's go back in our project. We don't need to save this. Then select the window, go in edit type, go for type mark, it's 32, 33, then change to W1, then click OK. So the type of this window, all of the type of this window will have the tag W1, like this one, all of these will change into W1. So I'm going to change even this window, edit type, I go for type mark, I change into W2. Okay, so I will have all the W2 in on this type of window. So this is an opening. I change its I will select the door opening, go in edit type, change the type mark to D4. I think we are on 4, D4. All the openings will be D4. Yeah, that's how you can do this kind of tag. So you may need to reduce their size because it is appearing as a big things in our project and it is not looking good. So we need to reduce those size of the type mark. So it's the same as the one that we were doing yesterday with the room tags. We will select this tag and go in edit family. Then we will have this. We can select this one and go in edit type, change the text size. It's 3, let's change it into 1. Then click OK. Then we can change these lines. When I select, let me try to select all of them. Then have an offset of how much? Let me check. Like an offset of 2. Yeah, an offset of 2 and see what is going to happen. Need an offset of 2. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I'm going to join the lines. Now I'm going to edit the exterior one. Now I do the road project into this one, yes. Override the existing. Now it will be very small. Oh, yeah. So now all the windows are having the same, this kind of. So it's the same case for the door tag. When I select it, I go in edit family. I change the size, edit type. Then I change the size to 1. Then, okay, I can even change the text fonts, so I don't need for this right now. Let me check if I do use the offset of 2, I do this, then I can take this near this two and near this words like this. Then now I delete these lines, then I do load into project, then okay, override the existing. Now I will have a small dot tag which will appear like this. So all the dot tags will change automatically. Even for ground floor, all of them have been changed according to that one. So now we may have some kind of levels, different levels in our floor plan, and we want to mark their levels, levels in our floor plan. Then we go, yes, please. So let's see how we can put some level annotation. So means all kind of annotation that we will need, we will pass here in annotate. So to put that kind of levels, we'll come here on spot coordination or spot elevation. Let's use spot elevation. And if we select it and we come here on our floor plan, you can see that it will label this as a 0. Then all of these are zeros. Now, if I touch this kind of way, there's small slabs there for the way, we'll see that it's showing me -8. -80. I will just put it here, -80. Then let's open a site. In floor. Let's go in floor plan and open site, the one called site, and we will have this, and we can go for the spot elevation. This one, this is on 7 meter. This one is on 10 meter. From there is 0, so this one is -80. This one is -100, the garden here. So we have this one for the parking, -990, and this is -100 for the garden. Yeah.
Can you please go back from the beginning?
From the beginning, you will go here on annotate. Yeah. Then take this spot elevation. Yeah. So in the backyard we have -50. Yeah, that's it. That's how we can use those spot elevations. Now, to make clear this site plan, we may just take realistic. Or we can take colors, pictures. And I activate shadows. We may have sometimes the big floor plans, and in that floor plan we have these color schemes, and it is very difficult for us to see those those names, all of those names. So we can sometimes need a regent for these colors. So to do so, we come here in annotate, then take this color fill region. Then if we go down, we click it and we go down here, we'll see that the room, we will get the room regions showing all the rooms and their colors. Then if we put it here, we'll get all of them. Yeah. For the good presentations.
Is it possible to show those areas as well?
Yeah. We'll just select this, edit type, and see if we can activate this edit scheme. If we go in edit scheme, let's see if we can have this. Regions. Areas. So we change here in colors, but this one will change the value according to the values. Let's see the square meters project settings. Yes, range. If we change this by areas, it will just bring those colors according to their areas, from the big one to the smaller one. So better to if I click apply, then okay, so it will just show the areas with the numbers, maybe not showing these rooms. Let's see if I can go back, take the names. Let's go back to the name. Like so means we may need another region for the areas, but we just show the numberings only from the small one to the big one.
You repeat the procedure for a minute.
Yeah, we just come on annotate.
Oops.
Then color fill region, you can see in the right side the color fill region, the top. Then color fill region, you click on it. When you come back on your drawing, you will have all of them there. So we may change this, but it will be changed according to this to the scale. So if you change it according to the scale, even other annotation will be affected. Like if I change it, the small one, then the other annotation will be affected. So means we may take this to come to put it back to the bigger size, to the size of the text size. Yeah, like if I put 0.3, so even this take to take this back to 3 to have the same size. Enrolled into project. Then I will take even the tags here, take to 3. So to have the same annotation for all this annotation of the project. Select this offset. You have to in the project, yes, already existing. The other one is the window. Edit, take this to 3 again. Means all my annotation in the project, I need it to be 3. We add 3. Into projects. Okay. All right. So now all the things are visible and those grids are not very big. Morning. So then to set our dimensions, when we are going to set our dimensions, we may just go in annotate, take the dimension, can just use aligned. Then we will have here in properties one type of dimension of 2.5 array. Then we can just edit them or choose another type according to the size of dimension that we want. Let's edit this one. So if we go, we can find some settings, readers, arrows, witness lines, and you can have another columns for text settings, all of these. So if we put our dimension there without changing anything, before putting our dimension, you can see that the dimensions are tracking the center of walls only. I will come here to press dimension and change they prefer to the workspace. Then if I go back and I try to put a dimension, you will see that I will get now, I will have an option to take the workspace or the work center. Now do this here, then put it there. So now if your dimension are coming big like this one, we need to set our dimension, maybe removing these extension lines and other witness lines and change the allows. Yeah, we will select this, go in edit type. Now we are going for dimension string type, continuous, show, readers, tick mark. So we can change this tick mark, diagonal 1.5. Yes, let's let this one. Dimension lines extension 1 meter. Witness line control gap to element. We can change it into fixed to dimension lines, not having the one going to the drawings. Witness line length 2.4, may put 1.4. Then witness line extension will remain 1.4. Witness line thick, there is none, don't need it. Then go for the other things, the colors. Let's take something like gray. Now go for the text, bold, italic. Okay, then let's take text size 2.5. This is the standard one. Can even take 1.5. Yeah, so if we need it italic, bold, or change the font, can change them. Let's take, for example, this one. Then after all of that, click OK. So now our dimension will change like this. So now, okay, this is clear now. Let's change the allow signs, tick mark, diagonal 1 point what. Let's take field dot, or yeah, field dot. This one, then change it. It's too big. Field dot of 3 millimeter. Then dot of 3 millimeter, then change to allow of 30 degrees, then okay. You have this. Then let's change it into the field one. Allow field like 20 degrees. Yeah, can have this. So yeah, let's have this field one. Now if we go for the other dimension, we select this, create similar, then put our dimensions there. Yeah, that's it about the dimensions. And take this grids. So now open one section. We have like two sections in this file. May open this one for the one that is crossing the building like this, the vertical direction. Is the main same scale of all of this machine. One is a the animations of things. Right. For names, all of those that you change their annotation, you have to change them. Open this section. Right click, then go to view, then you have it like this. So now let me see the other one. So this is a kind of field. This symbols showing the earth. So I need you to just try to put them there. We are going to go in annotate, then use region. Region are the one that have this kind of fields. So we go in region, try to see their settings, then search for the one with the up symbols, then put another one. So we put another type of curve, another type of fish down there.
Okay.
So I can see all of you are in the same direction of doing it. So to put those kind of fields, let me just do I have a section here? Let me have a section on this one, just any kind of section, then open it. File. So to have those kind of fields, we just go on annotate region. Now we have different region, different kind of different type of fields. We can take one and just edit it. If we go in edit type, we will have this, then duplicate this, rename it half field. Then click OK. Foreground pattern is the one that we are going to change. We will take it, then go on this dot, take the half one for the one for the half. Where is it? Where is it in model? Then this is kind of let me see. Yeah, I have the here for half. Yeah, this one. I have this one for half. Now I'm going to click OK. I may change their colors so it won't appear too much on my drawing. Then the background, I will not touch it. Now I click OK. Then I start drawing. I may just take the rectangle shape here to draw. Then I draw from here down here. Then I click OK. So when I draw like this, that's how it will appear. So you can see it is hiding all the things down there. But if I select it when I was editing it and uncheck this masking, when I uncheck it, it will be like transparent and allow other thing which is in the background to appear in my drawing. So I just want to cover them. So I will go back in edit type, then activate this. Now because it's a ground, it's showing the earth, and we can't have this section cutting the earth. We may not have the ending part of these lines. Now we are going to select it just to disappear these boundary lines down here. We select this, then go in edit boundary, then select this line, take control, select this one and this one. Now we have the line type of this kind of line. So we are going to change this into invisible lines. We click on it, then deselect, then finish edit mode. Now you can see my outfit is now showing the top level, but these other side are not shown. So now we are going to just select the foundation of this building. It's just this slab here, the one which is here. Then we select it, add some layers for compaction, hardcore, and DPM or DPC. Then show, then edit this fill, then show all of the layer under this building. You just select the slab here, it is down here, then go in edit for the flow to change it by its own, so that the other slab are not going to be changed. We will need to duplicate it and edit it at itself. Then we have this concrete slab will be concrete flooring now, not slab. Now we can edit this the layers of 120. Let's make it 100. Then finish. We are going to insert another layers. So the first one will be substrate. Then this is going to be a compaction of ground. Let's take earth, then duplicate it. Now we can name it earth compaction. Then change this fill. We are going to create a duplicate of it, name it compaction, then change their size to 0.5. okay, then take it right there. Yes, then click apply, then okay. I'm going to take another, we have a thickness of 200 or 250. Now the following one are going to be hardcores. It will be substrate, hardcore. If we have it, site hardcore, duplicate. Now we come for the cut fill to take which one are we going to take? Let's stay with this, then duplicate it. Triangle tool, or you can even browse your own. Then 0.5 or 0.2.3. yes, then okay, then okay. You get a size of 100. Then this one is going to be a DPM membrane layer. a membrane layer, then it will be the downproofing material. Then the cut pattern will be which one? Let's take these lines. Then okay, we will have some backgrounds, which will be this one, for example. Then change to gray, somehow gray. Then okay. So this may not have a thickness. Then we are going to have another layer down here. Take it under the tiles to be a substrate again. It will be cement under the tiles. No cement, concrete, C20. Yes, let me use this one. Duplicate a concrete bedding. Now change the cut pattern into some kind of small concrete. Then okay, then give it a size of 30 or 40, then here 20. Yes, then here 10. Now we click OK, then apply. So now we want to see all this area here. We need to select the fill, select this fill, then go to edit boundaries. We just draw this part like this. I think it is in these parts. It is even here. Yeah, then do the split, cut this one, join this with this, and this with this, then finish. So we need to adjust a little bit, this one to this, and this one to this. Now we have those layers down here. Put on 150. So you remember where to just control all of this kind of visible element in our drawings by passing to the visibility and graphics. So we may go there, then change some words there to be like to be very visible wall. Then cut pattern, the pattern, we can override the pattern by fills. Take this somehow black, so that may be visible. Now color it is this one, then click OK, then OK. Now our walls will appear on our drawing as this, like this. For the slab, take the slab, then go for visibility and graphics, then see the flow, this one. For the cut, we may do the patterns flow, override the patterns. So the visibility, we may take one concrete, then the color will be like that. Then for the background, may have some kind of surface fill, solid fill. Then we take this up here. Is it? Let's see if we change it into black. Okay, apply, then okay. So the slab will be like this. Concretes. Yeah. They put some thread numbering here, so that all the thread may show their numbers. Then go back to arrow, then go in annotate thread number, click on it, then we select the threads there to show the numbers of the threads. Then click on this one too to show the number of threads. Or we can even put the tags for tag all, then go on stair tag, apply, then okay. So we have this kind of tag on our stairs. We have 19 risers with 184.2 millimeters. So we can put some window tags on our section, even for door tags, then apply, then okay. So we get all the window and door tags there. We have to create, you can create your own labels. Yeah, because if you go in, let me show you, in annotate, then oh, architecture, then labels. Not this one. If you go in insert, we may have this road families in insert. So this one, in these families, we have this annotation. Where we may find some different kind of annotation that we may need. So you may take one of them and just import it, then it may appear in those kind of labels. Means because those are families, you can create your own, then save it as a family with your settings, then use it as you want. So to put the dimension for some elevation dimension for the section, we may just go to annotation, then spot elevation again. Then take this like 0. So now we can see how we can put those kind of copings on our wall. To do this, it's very simple. It's let's see. Yeah, we have these kind of copings on our top of the walls. So to put this kind of copings, we open our 3Ds where we have the walls like this one, or let me use the other one. Very simple for this. Use this one. This will be very simple. So to put them there, we have to go for walls. Then we have this wall sweep and wall reveal. So we use wall sweep. Then we have this kind of settings, wall sweep, cornice 02 or cornice. Then edit this one, take a profile that we want. Then click OK. Okay, if we are going to press it, we will just come near this edge. Then it will show us the dot line, the dashed lines for reference. Then we click on it, it will be there. Then click on the other one here. It will just automatically connect with the first one. And this, like this. And this like this. Now, if we click on finish edit mode, now our copying will be there. So to create your own copying, let's see how we can create your own copying according to the size of the walls that you have. We have a wall of 200. Now we will go on file, we go on new, then we go on family. New, we are going to create a family of this sweep. So we open English. Then let's go for metric. Metric profiles hosted. Now let's open this. We choose this metric profile hosted and open it. Because it will be hosted by a wall. Now we have the host face. Host face is here. The part which you're going out is this one, the host and the host. Yes. Now we're going to change to find, then change to hide, then change this this scale to like 1.2. Now draw our section of a profile. Now it will be 200 here, down here, then go up 400, 440 or 50, then come out 200, but adding that part that are going to be out of a wall. Let's have 30. Enter. Now go down this way and this way. So we can even have a sloped one. Let me try to do the one with slope. I'm going to draw a line, but I need first a reference plane. reference plane, then let me trace it like this. Have from here to here we have 230. I need 115 to be in the center. So I'm going to create line, then I draw a line here from here up to 30. Then this, connect this with this and this with this. So I may have a kind of profile here to stop the rainwater, which is a semicircle, like here. Then cut this here and here, and this one here. Join this with this, and this with this, and this to be deleted. Now this can be deleted too, in this one and this one. So now I have this profile. I'm going to load it into my project. So load into project, I have this one, session 2 exercise. Okay. Now I can go in 3D, go back to workspace. I have this corners, edit type, duplicate, have the other one for 3. Then when I go in this, on these profiles, I will see this one called family 1, the one I was creating. I will choose it, open. Then when I go for placement, you will see that if I take the edge, I will have it like this. This one. This is and this. Now let's see. Can see now that I have that profile that I created with all the details that I was drawing. Yeah, this is it. So now to continue putting this kind of profile on the wall, I will just select it. Then I have this add or remove. I will click on add to continue on this wall and continue on this one and continue on the other one here. Oh, no, remove it. I will select this, the outer face, this one. Then click on modify for finishing the edit mode. So now I have my created profile on this building. Can you try to create your own profile and put it on here? Oh, this is the place that I'm going to go back to. And this part I'm going to go to. Create your own. It's so simple. Because the reason why you are getting like too much is because I first put the one that was existing. Just print your words.
And how
You go in 5 and go five new. Yeah, then family. We need to create a family code. Then go in English. Right, English program.
okay.
Then go down, side, go down. Look 5, look 3, look 5. Just please. This we are going to draw the just make sure you are putting some the real images. And this part is the one that is going to go over your. This one is the part that is going to go out of the code, out of the code. So now draw using a line. So when we open our site floor plan, you can see that in our project there is something like outdoor settings, like swimming pool. Here is more swimming pool here. So we may need to just give some details on this more details that are not shown in our floor plans. To do so, we have to go to view, then use this tool called callout. May take this callout, then just put it down here, showing, so we can just go to create a callout for this sitting area. So when we click on, we put it, we will see in our plan views that we get a site callout 1. When we open it, we see this showing a small part on our site. Now we will set the range view for view range for like 1.6 meter. Apply, then okay. So now we see the space, that space of that sitting space. Now we can put there some dimensions. Can put some annotation like let's use a tag, room tags, rooms. We have this space, and it is not showing the square meter because it is open. It is an open space. So we have this outdoor seat. Then to get the square meters, so I will first enlarge this one to see where it is ending, and enlarge this one. Now change this to this and this to hidden frame. And now I'm going to take the room separator, cross from this word to this. Now I'll go like this. go like this and pass through here and go down here, and I will cross even this one to this one. Now I get a square meter for this one using those room separators. Now I can do the same thing for this swimming pool. I will just come in annotate, view, just go to view, go to car out, I select it, and then I will just come and start drawing like this. It will be shown like this one crossing the pool. Then when I finish, it will automatically create another site call out too. So when I open it, I will see only the swimming pool. Then I change it to hidden or colors shaded. So I'm going to rename the first one outdoor seat. Rename this one, this call out one, outdoor seat. And the second one, first one for outdoor seat is this, and the second one for swimming pool I will rename swimming pool details. Now I will just add my annotation there. Maybe 3/6. So let me hide this. To hide this grids, these grids are actually for the big building. So to hide them, I will select them, then go up here. There is this tool called hide in view. So to hide this, I'm going to hide these grids, but in this view only. I will hide it and select this one, hide element in view. Now, when I go back to my site plan, it is still there.
You make the timber floor in this.
My timber.
Yes, the floor finish. Textures are visible.
Let me open it. It is outdoor seats. Yes, this one.
Talking
About the site. Yeah, just change the tools here. Take realistic. I do have realistic here.
Yes, it's unrealistic, but the chamber look that's good.
What about this one? Do you have fine?
Yes.
maybe it's some that is covering. Just very simple, because here we have all our drawings, like ground floor, first floor, second floor, all of them are here, even for ceilings, 3D view, elevation, section, all of what we do appear in this section here in project browser. So it's just a matter of taking one, dragging and put it on a paper sheet. So to have a sheet, to have a paper, we just pass in view, then we have a tools for sheet here for the drawing sheet. If you click on it, it will give you some kind of paper size, and you have to choose one of them. You just need to choose one of them. Maybe I can choose like A1, or I can load another one. If you click on load, you will go to load the other one. In your families, we have this folder for title blocks. We have A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Let me take A2, then open. It is there now. I can go now for OK to open my paper. So my paper will appear like this. You go to view, you go to sheet, then you click on it. You have this different type of papers, then you can load the other one. So in your families down here, you have this folder for title blocks. You open it, then you take one of a paper that you want, then open. It will be added on the list here. Then if you got what you want, the paper size we want, then you click OK. Then you click OK, then the paper will open like this. So having this paper, you will see when you go down in project browser, you will see that the sheets are now having this name of paper A107, like the numbering that you have on your paper. So after this, it's just you will go up and go back to your floor plan, ground floor. Don't open it, just take it, drag and put on your paper here. Now it will go there like this. So the paper are very small. I need to delete and take the big one. My paper are very small, I need another one. Delete. So I go to sheet. I took A1, then open. So now I go to put my drawing on a paper. I will just go in floor plan, take ground floor, drag it and drop it on my paper like this. So now I can adjust it by using my keyboard here. Yeah, I can select this title and move it just up here and select the drawing to reduce this line of the title up here. Now I have this. So to rename the paper, to give this drawing a name. It's a ground floor, so I will have this a name. I will double select it, then rename ground floor. Then after naming this, when I go in my sheets where it is in project browser, you will see that my A108 is now named ground floor. I can rename it. So instead of A08, be A01. Then now I have it like this. Simple. Yeah, it's simple. Yeah. Just drag your drawing and drop there in the sheet.
How to
Is
select
it
the
possible
paper?
to size the drawing when it is the sheet?
To resize it, you will just change the drawing scale.
Also, you have to change the drawing scale in the top.
Yeah,
Then
yeah. Resize it, you will just open you can even double click on this. It will be as a drawing now, so you can see I can just select the wall, door, anything. So you will double click it, then change this scale 1 by 150. Change to 1 by 1, like 20, to become very big. 1 by 100 to reduce like this. You can even customize a scale 1 by 75. Okay, to increase like this. Yeah. And 1 by 50. Then after changing the scale, you double click outside of your viewport, then it is done. So if there is something that, yes,
Please pick the facility to double.
to create the sheet or resize,
Okay.
create a sheet, just go in view, you will see sheet, click on sheet, it's here.
Okay.
Then you click on it. We have this.
Right here.
Then you can load a new paper size that you want by click on load.
Okay.
Then you can select one of what you want and then open.
After I have that, I need to go to a block A1. Where can I get to the size of?
Open load. Click on load. Then we get this. You will see in your families you have this folder called title blocks.
So I can choose A3.
Then you click open. If you have your, did you get this? then click open.
Okay.
Then you will be back here. Then you choose you see that the one that you choose has been added on the list here. Then you take it, click OK. So it will now open like this.
Okay.
You have it?
Mm-hmm.
Now you are going to go here in project browser, go up, see your ground floor, where you can see the place where you have your ground floor, first floor, second floor, things like that.
Okay.
Then you will just take one, like if it's a first floor, ground floor, just select it, drag it, put it there to the paper, to your paper. Did you do it? Now put it there. And floor and roof. Yeah, you have roof. And roof, now put the even elevations, the 4 elevation. Put all of them on a paper. We're going to create a paper of ground floor, paper of first floor, a paper of second floor, and a paper of roof plan. And you go for elevations. Have east, the paper of east, north, south, and west. Then put all of them on the paper. Using A1. So this is going to be first floor. Take it down a bit. Select another one, then rename it second floor. Then create another one. Oh, that was second floor. Name this first floor to be A2. Then name this E3, second floor. Okay, create new sheet. Then I'm now on roof. I'll change the scale to 150. Take down name this roof plan. Then have another sheet. Oh. Sheet, then A1. Take some elevations. One here. Another one. Elevation. Then create another one. Another one. A1. Nice. new one, key.
I want to change the sheet from portrait to landscape. Well, landscape.
We just choose the one with landscape or the one with portrait. Or we'll see how to just edit one, then make it portrait.
If I have a landscape or sheet and then the detail of the drawings, it is cut off at the bottom. So I want this to be the clear right side. So I have to create it and edit.
To edit the sheets. So like this one, I'm going to take this, then change the scale to 150 so that it may fit. Then I select it.
I love the drawing, the sheet itself.
We see how to edit the sheet itself. Yeah, we'll see it. We are going to see it. Just use the one that you have right now.
The one you have.
Yeah.
From yesterday, I want to get from yesterday. I have the sheets. This is going to create a new sheet. But that is not a side the name. That one, the size is according. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you don't want to, you just it therefore detect only the drawing, not those reference lines.
applying on a sheet and sheets. No. Central link sheet for
Put in elevation on the sheet. Just create a new sheet and drag elevation. So if you want to change those informations in our title block, may just sometime select one that we want and change the name by texting, double click it, then text it. Google, then project name, exercise 02. This is the elevation. This is the elevation. Which one? West. Drone. You may put your name there. Then checked by so to edit a layout, this kind of layout of our sheet, we will select it. Then when to change into blue, we double click it again. It will now opened into a modified. It will allow us to modify it. Or you can just select it, then go to edit family. If you click on edit family, you can now go and change things, some logos there. You can add some other by insert, input image, or manage. You go for manage image. You have those kind of logos. Then you can add your own. Let's take another logo like this one. Yeah, this one from Ziza Global. Then after adding on this, we select it, then press instant. We come and put it somewhere here, then adjust it very well. Adjust this one too, and adjust this one so that may be here. May delete this one or add those kind of informations. We remove them. So this revision table can reduce it like this. Change our layout of the title block. Let's take this, take it up. Client name, go up. Copy this line from here up to here. Now, after doing my changes, all of my changes, I will just go to load into project. Then I select my project. Then it's fine. Override the existing version. Now my title block will be changed into this one. So means everywhere I've used this A1 metric have been changed in to this have this kind of changes. Like when I go for ground floor, I can see I have the changes there. First floor, I have all the changes there. So now, there is sometimes you may have your drawing passing like this through, or there is some an important part of the drawing that is passing through your sheet. To remove them, you will just double click on your drawing. When you double click, you can see the limits of your drawing. You will come here in properties and go down. You go down, you will see this extent panel. So there we have a crop view. If we activate this crop view and click apply, then we can even activate crop view region to be visible, so that we can see where our crop view region are limited. If we activate it, then we click apply, we will now see where we are seeing for this view. Now we can start reducing this area by just selecting the square there or rectangle, then move this node in between every rectangle there. So I can move it like this, take this up and take this here. So if I continue to move, you will see that what I passed anything on the drawing that is not in this region will be hidden. So now, but the annotation categories are not be hidden, can't be cut. So I need to activate even the annotation crop, so that our crop will hide even the annotation things. So now if I move it like this, you can see the views are being lost. And take this one here and this one here, yeah, like this. So now if you finish to set your crop view, you will just come back here on this tools, crop view region visible, the annotation. You deactivate only the crop region visible. When you deactivate it, this line will disappear on your drawing. Then you still have you remain with the drawing only. Then double click outside, drawing will be looking like this. So for example, you may have some elevation which is looking like this, and you don't need to see this part. You will go down, you will select the view, go down on extent, then go on crop view, activate crop view region and crop view annotation. Now it will be like this. Or you can just select this, double click, select this line, move it, to cut all the unnecessary things in our drawings. Then after this, go back, deselect crop view region visible. Then double click outside. So now to change our PDF into a landscape, a portrait, it's just the same process that we used to modify the PDF. We will select it, edit family, then I may just select it like this, then rotate from here up to like this. Then I will just edit those informations, or I can even delete them. Let me just take this one, project name, and rotate this one for sheet name and client name. Now I delete all the other one. I take this, put it here, project name here, and client name here. So we just delete this, take this, copy here and here. Just delete this one, move this a little bit, then rotate this image like this. Now select this and this, move them, this, yeah. Now I have it like this. So after doing this, what I will do, I will load into project, or then this will be, yes, this one, then overwrite. Now my PDF will be changed into landscape. So I can take this, I want to save this for the future use. I will just pretend like I'm going to close it. Then it will give me this notification. I say, do you want to save change to A1 metric Revit file? So when I do yes, I will change all the A1 in my Revit file. So I don't want it. I will just come on file, save as family. I will save it as a family. Then I go in the file where we put where we found our project, our families, to save it there. Revit 2026 libraries, English, US, title blocks. Now I name it A1 metric portrait. Then I save. Now I can close. So take this, edit families, or I can even go back, close now, go back, yeah, like this. So now I'm going to try to use the one that I saved. I'm going to go in view. Okay, view, sheet, road families. Now you can see I have A1 metric portrait. I insert it, then open, it will come like this. Why is it? I was rotating in the wrong direction. I can change it into edit family, but I have it. Why is it rotating itself? beams. Let me rotate it again. Load into projects. Operate existing. Yeah. So I need to re-rotate again. Then load into project. Yes. Then override existing. Now I have it. I can just put my drawings there. Take the car outs. Where is them? Outdoor seats. Yeah. So now in my drawing, I have this. Thank you. In my drawing, I have this A1. The A1 here. I don't want to name the A1 here, and I have this A1 which is portrait. That's it. Just select your sheet, then edit type.
How do you use an extension line that displays on the layer? So how do you use the length of that extension?
This one?
Yes.
So you can select the drawing. If you select all of them like this, once you select it, you will just have one dot here, one note, then you will move it. So if you have pressed the cutout on a sheet, you will see that when you go on a site where the cutout is appearing, you will see that the cutout number have been adapting those details, like it's a cutout 1 on a page A109. So when you go for the page A109, you open it, you will see the 1, then you have a details there. Means even this one, if we take this and press it on a paper, now it will get those information of where it is located on a sheet and the numbering of the detail. So we are remaining with we're seeing how to create schedules. So to create a schedule in a project, because schedule are the one that took all the quantities of things that are going to be scheduled, the total quantity in a whole project. To do it, we come in view, then in create we have this schedule here. We click on it, then we are going for schedule and quantities. Schedule and quantities. Then we are going to take to stay with architecture only. And then we go down for let's start with walls or window schedules. Start with window schedules, then after selecting window schedule, then click OK. Then what we need to see in our schedules. So we need to see the type of window. We can move family and type, put it there. Then you can have the height of the window, we need it. We will have the mark, the type mark. The type mark are the one that we have used. The type mark, this one, insert. Then the width. Now, is it enough? If we was having some description of doors and windows, we may even put description, but we don't have. Now, after putting this list of orders, we are going to, you can just press it for family and type is the first one, then type mark have to be the second one or the first. Let's make it the second, then height and width. We can even see for the seal height, can even put the seal height there. Insert. Yes, then after putting the list there of the element that we need to see in our schedule, we click OK. Now we have all of the windows here with its type mark and names. So we can just have the big names. Just have to press it very well. Then Windows schedule, yes. Now we can, after having the schedule as a list, we will see here in project browsers, we have schedule and quantities. Then when we click there, we will see the Windows schedule here. Means we can even take this and put on a drawing sheet as the one we were doing before. Select it, then a metric, select the Windows schedule and put it here. So we can edit this Windows schedule, field by edit type, view template upright, Windows schedules, type schedules. Can just edit some formats. So we may count, we need to have this. Let's do this one. Sort and grouping. We need to filter this by thickness, group it. Formatting, from 8 width. Let's add a type mark. This is a door. So I may just edit this one by formatting, then I need to group by type mark. Then type mark. To align it according to the type mark. So it will just align it from according to the numbering. So all of these haven't been named. So let's go on our floor plan, then see those who that doesn't have the type mark changed, like this one. We have now on let's close these views. No. No. And with this Windows schedule, we have this W1 and W2. So we need to change this W3. Yes. And there is another one for W4. Yes, there is near the first floor, second floor. Now let's see. In the door, still remain with this one. Now, if you go on our schedule, then the paper of Windows schedules, yes, it is aligned according to this approval. Which doing? Okay, let me see this kind of window. Let me check on section. Now some section that show this kind of windows. This one, it will be W6, I think. Yes. Yeah, any other? Sedo. No, this is a window. Yes. Then this one BW7. Yes. Now let's check on our window schedule. So we still have the two that are missing. Ready. Oh. So now can take this bit and take this one and move it. That I may remain with this one only. So now on my paper, it is now updated. Like W01 and W02s and W03, 4. There's no 5, 6, 7. So I can do the same on for the schedule for those. Just come to schedule, then schedule and quantities, go for door, then okay. We need family or family and type. Go there. Then go for construction, head height. You have to get the height. We are using type marks, C height. So the door are always at 0. Don't need the C height. Type mark, need it, and width, need it. Now we took the type mark, we move it for the second. We start with family and type mark, height and width. Now okay. Then we have it here. So let's try to sort by type mark, ascending. Then just activate the grand total to count them. Title, count and total. Then okay. So it will count all of them. Like grand total, it's 19 windows, 19 doors, and which is placed like this. So let's do the same for windows. Go for sort and grouping. Type mark, then grand total, title, count, and total. Then okay. Now we have the grand total of 23 windows. So I can take this one too and put it on the same PDF as the door schedule. I will open this sheet, then I go for door. I drag the door schedule to this one, then there will be two schedules. Like this, I had to do the sheet lists, count, sheet name, go up. Okay. This sheet list here. Numbers, let's add the sheet numbers. Then okay, yeah.
Before the schedule, it's schedule have to.
Okay. You may just draw them and put it there, but how to get them? Oh, it is. schedule. Schedule. Take what you want to see in those schedule, create files, type mark, family, and type. What you get, you can just click on it to become the lists. To get your tickets.
Alright, yeah.
Time.
Maybe.
Then to be the name of the video of this one. So the type have to be the first one. Thickness, the drop, second one, the that, this two slope, we got so. Okay, I mean, sure. It's still up. Okay, the same did don't open. It's a door, it's a window. Yes, schedule.
Just.
Schedule. Let's see. I've seen.
Maybe quantity.
Quantity of what? It's with that it's what you are doing. You are doing to business.
Okay.
That's it. To create the total, just more sorting and grouping different units. Sorting and grouping. To the type. Now, activate the current total.
this. For example, this window is a difficult to use here the windows. So after
Yeah, I will go. We try to do it here. You come on schedules, like Windows schedules. Then you go in this edit and filters. Filter by type mark. Then make it equal. Then let's try this. All of them are moved. Filter by name, family, and type. So we stay with that one only. Change. No one. Okay. Let's just try it. Filter by family and okay, mark, type mark. Family and type, we have this. Then family in type again, we have the other one. In type again, we have the third one. Then okay. Oh, all of them are gone. Let's use this grand total and totals only to see it. Fixed. Then appear. And we have a footer. All right. I think this is it now. Okay. Yeah. So change the sorting. Then get put there a footer on the type mark. Get a footer. Then we have the total number of our windows at each type. So for A1 this 8, W2 is 5, W3 is 4. Yeah, things like this. Blank lines. Right, and Tutu. Optimize every item. Yeah. Let's put some blank lines so that to separate them. This is going to be called schedules. Now this is T1. Yep. Like my group, sorting in group, footer, title content tools. I need to put some gap. So then if you have all of your PDF prepared very well, then you need to export it. You will just come up here in the quick access toolbars. Then we have a PDF there. You come up here on the upper part. Yeah, we have a PDF there. So then if we click on that PDF, we will see this dialog. So we go on, we won't just select the current window, no. We are going for selected view and sheet so that we can select our desired sheets. Now, we will come on a small pen here, click on it. After clicking on the small pen, now we can have all the views that we have in our project. So in display filter, we are going to change to click here on multiple so that we may change to uncheck the 2D view and 3D view to stay only with all sheet and sheet not in correction. So we will have this on multiple, uncheck 2D view and 3D view. Now we will stay with only the sheets. So now this will allow us to just select the one that we want to export. Can just tick on this, tick this, all of them like this. Now, if there is one that I don't want to export, I will just uncheck it, so it won't come in my PDF. But I want all of this. So now, after this, I can go for preview to see all of my PDF that I'm going to export. There is this one, this one, this one, the roof plan, the east elevation, north elevation, all of them. Then after checking, you can just go to select. So it will take us back to this. Now the file name will be like this. You can change it to what you want and give a name of a project or anything. We can do exercise 02. Now, if we want to combine all the PDFs, we just tick this one, combine selected view and sheet into a single PDF. Or if we want to export everything on its one PDF file, we will uncheck it. So for now, let's check it. Take it, then location. Now we have to determine the location. Desktop, Revit, course, new folders. Now open, then open. After this, so the size have to be Revit, you have to use the sheet size, zoom it fit to page. The paper placement, it will be in center. Now the appearance may be high, presentation or anything else, but the most preferable is high or presentation. You will choose what you want. So now we can just change the colors of our PDF in grayscale, black lines, or color. Let's use color for now. Then you have to check that this option is ticked, the hide reference work plane. So we have to hide those kind of work planes that we have in our drawings, and to hide the scope boxes, we have to hide them, and hide crop boundaries, the one that was crossing our drawings. Now, if we tick this one, the last one, replace halftone with thin lines, means it will take all the kind into one line type, black or gray only. But if we let it, all the lines will have their own size and thickness. Now let's click export. If we click export, Revit will start exporting the PDF file. We just check down here, there is some percentage where it is, how it is doing that. 2%, things like this. Now it is done. So I can go and see my PDF, export, session 2 exercise. Now I have my PDF, which is like this. So that's it. Now let's go back. If I go to the PDF again, then I uncheck to combine the PDFs, and I just go for grayscale and export. Do you want to save the settings for the user for use in a future Revit session? I say yes, then run it. Go back to the PDF. I can see all the sheets are now out one by one. So it have even changed it into grayscale. So my objects are just let me change the furnitures because it is appearing in my PDF the way I don't want it. Just go to visibility and graphics, model categories, then change the furniture. Is the furniture this one? The projection lines, I need the line to be solid, yes, but not visible. Wait. Graphic display furniture lines to be solid, yes, but not visible so much. Okay. Now let me export one PDF. I will just go to selection, selected view. I go to edit them and check this, check the 2D and 3D view, and just export ground floor and first floor only. The other one, I'm going to let them. Select, export, and then grayscale, yes, then export. It will ask me that it is going to replace the existing one. I say yes. Now we check it again, ground floor. Yes, now this is good.
Because so when I what's what I still think
So I'll do the change into halftone.
this
Can even just edit that one. This should settings. Just change the number. So we change the sizes. Yes. Yeah. Just change the. So if you are 1.125, the space. Changing this one, this one. Just reduce the value. Hey, what's the problem with your PC? Huh? What's the problem with your PC? So did you try to export the PDF? Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Any question on this? Any question on this lessons for today? Today it was just annotations and documentations. And the best part and the easiest part is to put your to export your PDF.
Ya ujumbe.
Poi, non è so I see the problem if you want to do more or even do more on the but
Mr. Victor,
Yep.
see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Just take some medicines. Yeah. The question is bye. Yeah.
Especially
Yeah. So you need to have a big enough PDF to feed the drawing, so you don't just change those kind of skills of this.
For example, if it says a drawing that the client need to fit to, let's say, 8 but the field size in the canvas does not fit the drawing. All you have to do is just put, let's say, it's 8.
You know what I do? I just take the drawing, take the sheet, I edit the sheet, they reduce it. So Revit will take the sheet and fit on the paper size of it without changing anything. So means I take, like you can see we have sheets just here. If I have this kind of sheet, I can just select it, then go in edits, then I can reduce this drawing sheet according to some measurements. So I do another new title block, like when I do the road into project, so the paper will be smaller. You can see it's reduced. Now I fit my drawing there. So this when I'm going to export, this paper is A1. So Revit will take this paper and fit it on an A1 paper. Understand?
It's going to fit the drawing into an A1 paper.
Yeah. Means it will detect these boundaries of this title block or this sheet. Now it will make it big so that it may fit on A1 data, on A1 paper. Like if, for example, I've already do this. Let me see the waste elevation. Let me export this waste elevation only. Check. Then 3D waste elevation. Then okay. Use sheet size. I can even just
so you choose
another paper size, yes. Then fit to page by center. Now export, yes. Now it's done. West elevation, where is west? East, north, southwest. So you see that it is still just fit to the paper.
So for example, if you create a type of block of size A, then fit the block. But when you print it out, you can print it out in 6/8.
Yeah. You can do that.